So I just want to show off an example here of the distinction between working with chatbots and AI and working with agents and AI. And I found this was really fascinating because I saw a new tool called Minimax, which has agents and chats and chat API access. And I went in and agent was right there, and I tried it, and I just didn't think much about it, and threw a prompt at it asking to spin up a Victoria, BC real estate lead capture page. So I threw that at the agent and had it generate something, and it looks like this. And the amount of detail that it created was ridiculous. The best part about it was it didn't really seem to have any obvious faux pas about what it was talking about. The images looked relevant to what we're talking about, the topic. It showed its math, like it had a whole page full of references of where it pulled information and citations from to be able to come up with these records. And it was really impressive of what it turned out for its lead capture page. Where it stopped short was there's a few spots in interactivity, like here's a network or a newsletter sign up, and at the top there's a lead capture. The phone numbers are all kind of that Lorem Ipsum 555 number, but I got the area code correct. So it was pretty impressive. 2024, even though I generated it a couple days ago, so that's a little out of whack. Licensed real estate agent, yada yada, that's not there. This was branding that associated it with Minimax, and I just did a little change-a-roo. But what it did here was just incredible for effectively what was, it uses API tokens, or not API, but credits in Minimax, and ran up about a $5 bill for this. Then I said, okay, well, that's what I get from the agent at Minimax. What if I throw the same prompt at chat and try this? So I tried this, and here's what I got. The same prompt sent to Minimax and its chat instead of its AI. And it is night and day underwhelming. Comes with this information, which I think is just fake. I don't believe there's a 123 Ocean View drive. Some of the stats are valid, some of them are less so, but it just doesn't have any of the depth or interest. So it really goes to show you about what you get out of an agent build at a given thing versus a chat build, where the agent build will go out there and iteratively figure out what supporting data it needs and go and seek out what it needs to satisfy your answer, as opposed to just this thing which just answers and then just uses basically text completion to complete and satisfy what you're asking for. By the way, if you want to talk about AI stuff, I'm happy to help. Shawn DeWolfe, Shawn at web321.co, and yeah, happy to talk tech.